Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss the terms. That means we are going to discuss two important things, that is general term of an AP and the nth term from the end. Fine. So general term of an AP is nothing but you have to remember this formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t, where we can say a is nothing but the first term, right? A is nothing but the first term. And what about d? D is nothing but the common difference that we have already discussed, common difference. And what about n? N is nothing but the term we can say. Suppose we are going to find the third term of any given sequence, okay, for a given AP. So we have to write A3. When n equal to 3, you have to represent here also 3. Fine. So A3 equal to, you have to write the first term plus n is nothing but 3 minus 1 into d. D is nothing but the common difference of that sequence. Fine. So this is how we have to find. Now moving on to the second important thing, that is nth term from the n. If you are asked to find the any term, suppose 7th term from the end of the given AP, so you have to apply this formula. L minus n minus 1 into d. What is L here? L is nothing but the last term. So you have to remember L is nothing but what? Last term. Fine. So L is nothing but what? Last term. And what about n? N will be the term which you are going to find out. Fine. And d is the common difference. Fine. So I have taken one important question. This question was asked in CBSE 2005 question paper. Fine. So in this question, find the sixth term from the end of the AP. So you need to find the end, sixth term from the end you have to find. Fine. So what is A over here? So this is a sequence, you can understand here, this is a sequence. So A will be what? 17, right? And this common difference also you have to find. For finding out the common difference, what you have to do, you have to see the sequence, then you have to subtract, or you have to find the common. How to find the common difference? Common difference is represented by d. Second term minus first term. So second term is 14. So when you do 14 minus 17, you will get it as what? Minus 3. Fine. So you're getting d as what? Minus 3 we can say. Now what is the last term here? Last term is given as 40, right? So last term in the sequence is what? 40. And what else is given? And you need to find the sixth term. Sixth term means the n is given. That means you need to find the sixth term. So n equal to 6. Right? Then you have to just apply this formula, that is n minus L minus n minus 1 into d. So what is L here? L is nothing but 40 minus n is nothing but the term which is asked, that is sixth term, minus 1 into d. D is nothing but minus 3. Fine. So this you have to do. So this implies that becomes 40. This is 6 minus 1 is minus 6 minus 1 is 5. So this becomes minus 5. Here minus is there. Then into minus 3. Fine. So when you multiply and subtract, you will get it as how much? So 40 minus this is we can say the term which we are finding out. So guys, here I made a mistake, that is here the question should be here minus 40, because you can see the sequence, it is reducing, right? From the positive larger number, it is going on decreasing, so it should be minus 40. Fine. It's fine, you need to just understand the concept. Okay, so you have to represent by last term. If it is minus 40, you have to write here minus 40. Okay, then 40, then it is nothing but 5 minus 5 into minus 3, that is 40 plus 15 we can say, that is nothing but what? 55. So from the last term, from the last end of the AP, the sixth term will be 55. Okay, so since I made a mistake, this won't be the correct answer. Fine. So since you might have understood the concept, that is fine. So you need to just understand the concept that you have to just apply last term minus n minus 1 into d. Last term it is 40, so I have written here 40. Actually it is minus 40. Okay, fine. You have just understood. You have to just understand the concept.